ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the first day of July, and what a comfortable day. The weather not really hot, not really humid, and this morning we flirted with record lows across the Deep South. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots today coming from the ABC 3340 Skycam network. First off, the view from Birmingham, looking south from high atop the Daniel Building. Just a few flat cumulus clouds around. Pretty much the same-looking sky from Mount Cheahaw over in East Alabama. That's the view from over 2,000 feet up. That's Alabama's highest point south of Anniston. And from Walker County, the view from downtown Jasper from the top of the King Building, a very similar sky. Highly anomalous upper air pattern. This is the water vapor satellite imagery, and on top of that, the height lines at 500 millibars. And notice the trough over the east. That's delivering the continental air down across the eastern half of the country. The moisture shunted way down to the south. We note even down at Gulf Shores and Panama City, they are in dry air now, so the sky bright and sunny down there. And yeah, temperatures are pretty nice. These are at 1 o'clock today. Look at those upper 70s over North Alabama, low and mid 80s elsewhere. We'll wind up in the mid to upper 80s today, but the dew points are low, so the humidity just not bad at all. Hottest weather where you'd expect it to be, back in the desert southwest. Convective outlook, that looks like the 1st of July there. The risk areas up there near the Canadian border. And, of course, around here, no thunder and no rain today. The QPF map, this looks right. You know, the one we showed you this morning had nothing on it for us, and I said that's just not right. And the new graphic reflects the possibility of 1/2 to 1 inch of rain. This is valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, and the better chance will come on Saturday. We'll mention just a few widely scattered showers by Friday afternoon for Independence Day, but the better coverage of showers and storms will likely come after that on Saturday, Sunday, and early next week as well. And hey, what do we have here? Look at that tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa. It's a little early here for the Cape Verde systems like this, but that's a big one, and we'll keep an eye on it. Here's a look at modeling on that thing, and the models generally want to bend it poleward a bit or veer it to the right, and more than likely this will be a system that stays over the open water. But it's maybe a sign of the times that things might be ramping up out there a little bit in coming weeks. We'll be watching for sure. Here's the 12Z GFS. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock on Wednesday. The pattern is de-amplifying. Got a flat ridge developing across the Deep South, and the dry air stays in place. So a sunny day tomorrow. And again, early in the day, I think we reach upper 50s again. We'll wind up in the upper 80s. Thursday, the air stays dry for most of the state, but we note the moisture creeping northward from the south. Could be a few scattered showers and storms down there in the Gulf Coast. And Friday, the 4th of July, the deeper moisture is still over South Alabama, and a surface front to the north passing through Indianapolis and St. Louis. But really, with that kind of setup there, it looks like we'll mention widely scattered afternoon showers and probably nothing more than that. So most barbecues and fireworks shows should not be bothered. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, notice there's no strong trough over the east this time, and accordingly, that front's going to run out of gas. There's no upper support, so it stalls out to the north, and the moisture comes on in here. So Saturday will be a day with scattered showers and storms. Sunday, same deal, very moist air mass. A shower or storm could blow through at almost any time, and really Monday of next week, it's the same deal. Maritime tropical air, so scattered showers and storms, the story. We'll dig deeper into July. How about July the 12th? And look what's rebuilding our eastern U.S. trough that's keeping temperatures below average over the eastern half of the country. Down below that, again, we've got that soupy air, and probably we'll have a surface boundary north of us if that happens to be the case. And then at the end of the forecast period on July 17th, vortex over eastern Canada, trough axis north of here, flat ridge across the Gulf Coast states, and down below, same deal. Pretty typical weather. Hot, muggy, maybe an afternoon storm. I say hot, really not that hot for July. Highs probably upper 80s to near 90. And again, the good news, we see no sign of any really excessively hot weather over the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.